Just as drone enthusiasts were starting to fully explore the capabilities of DJI's Neo 2, a series of leaks revealed something far more ambitious and groundbreaking: the DJI Avata 360. This upcoming drone is positioned to redefine the possibilities of both FPV flight and immersive aerial cinematography. For the first time, DJI is merging a fully integrated 360 degrees camera system with a switchable FPV drone in a single unit. Early images initially caused confusion, with some mistaking the leaked shots for a prototype of the rumored Avata 3. In reality, these photos showed the Avata 360 operating in FPV mode, cleverly designed with a rotating gimbal that conceals the bottom lens, keeping the full 360 degrees capability hidden until DJI's official reveal. This hybrid approach feels like a natural evolution for DJI, a company that has already dominated both compact 360 cameras and high-performance FPV drones. By combining these two worlds, the Avata 360 allows creators to switch seamlessly between fully immersive 360-degree capture and fast, agile FPV flight, opening up new possibilities for aerial storytelling. The DJI Avata 360's dual-mode design is one of its most exciting features. In 360 degrees mode, the drone uses both lenses, one pointing upwards and the other downwards, to capture the environment entirely, creating truly immersive footage. When switched to FPV mode, the gimbal rotates to reveal a forward-facing lens optimized for high-speed, dynamic flight. This dual functionality allows creators to merge the traditional thrill of FPV flying with cinematic 360-degree storytelling, offering a level of versatility previously unseen in consumer or professional drones. Whether you're capturing sweeping panoramic vistas, fast-paced action sequences, or extreme sports, the Avata 360 promises a unique combination of precision, speed, and immersive perspective. The camera technology at the heart of the Avata 360 is equally impressive. Each lens reportedly delivers a 180 degrees field of view with 4K resolution, which, when stitched together using AI-powered algorithms, produces fully immersive 8K 360 degrees footage. This means content creators can achieve ultra-high resolution, immersive videos without the need for time-consuming post-processing. In FPV mode, the drone is expected to capture 5K video at 60 frames per second, along with 30 megapixel stills, while panoramic images in 360 degrees mode could reach up to 120 megapixels. These specifications represent a substantial leap over current FPV and 360 degrees drone technology, making the Avata 360 particularly appealing to filmmakers, action sports enthusiasts, and content creators seeking professional-grade results from a single device. To handle the demands of these high-resolution outputs, DJI has upgraded the drone's storage and data management. Internal storage is reportedly 128 GB, with additional support for microSD cards, giving pilots ample capacity for heavy 360 degrees video files and high-resolution photographs. Flight performance has also been enhanced. The drone is expected to use DJI's O4 Plus transmission system, extending the maximum range up to 20 kilometers while slightly increasing flight time to around 25 minutes. These improvements make extended aerial sessions more feasible, whether for cinematic shoots, sporting events, or immersive VR content creation. Safety and obstacle avoidance remain key priorities for DJI. In FPV mode, the Avata 360 reportedly uses a combination of front-facing LiDAR, rear optical sensors, and bottom infrared sensors to detect and avoid obstacles automatically. In 360 degrees mode, the dual lenses themselves may serve as an omnidirectional sensing system, providing detection capabilities in all directions. Advanced subject tracking, inspired by DJI's Mini 5 and Neo 2 drones, ensures smooth focus and framing even during high-speed maneuvers or complex environments. These features make it easier for pilots to capture professional quality footage without compromising safety, even when navigating challenging terrains or performing high-risk aerial stunts. DJI is also planning multiple configuration options to cater to different types of users. Basic bundles will allow casual creators to experience the core capabilities of the drone, while FPV-focused sets will include motion controllers, FPV goggles, and extra batteries for extended flying sessions. Manual FPV operation will require the FPV Controller 3, which is sold separately. This modular approach makes the Avata 360 accessible to a wide range of users, from hobbyists experimenting with immersive flight to professional filmmakers seeking full control over their shots. The hybrid nature of the DJI Avata 360 emphasizes the learning curve involved. Capturing and editing 360 degrees footage requires a powerful computer and knowledge of specialized software, while FPV flying demands practice and skill to operate safely. Yet, for those willing to invest the time, the creative possibilities are virtually limitless. The drone's combination of speed, precision, and immersive visual storytelling allows creators to experiment with new angles, cinematic techniques, and unique perspectives that were previously difficult or impossible to achieve with conventional drones. From a design perspective, DJI has maintained its tradition of meticulous engineering. The gimbal's clever design protects the bottom lens during FPV flight, preventing damage while maintaining a streamlined aesthetic. Every component appears thoughtfully considered, from weight distribution to internal material enhancements, ensuring that the drone remains stable, responsive, and manageable despite its new capabilities. This careful design ensures that the addition of 360 degrees filming features does not compromise the drone's agility or flight performance. The integration of AI-driven imaging, advanced subject tracking, and dual-mode flight functionality positions the Avata 360 as a transformative tool in DJI's lineup. By bridging the gap between professional filmmaking tools and FPV performance drones, it opens the door to a new category of aerial content creation. Pilots can switch seamlessly between immersive 360 degrees capture and high-speed FPV flight, combining cinematic storytelling with the excitement of extreme sports and dynamic aerial footage. This versatility is a game-changer for creators who need one device to deliver both immersive panoramas and fast-paced action shots. Camera technology continues to be a focal point of the Avata 360's innovation. The drone's AI-assisted stitching allows for fully immersive 360 degrees video capture at 8K resolution, effectively eliminating the post-production bottleneck typically associated with multi-camera setups. FPV mode captures ultra-clear 5K video at 60 fps and 30 megapixel stills, while panoramic 360 degrees images can reach a staggering 120 megapixels. These capabilities make the Avata 360 ideal for a wide range of applications, from cinematic adventure films to action sports documentation and virtual reality content. Connectivity and range have also seen significant upgrades. The O4 Plus transmission system reportedly extends flight range up to 20 kilometers while providing a flight time of roughly 25 minutes per battery. These improvements make longer, more ambitious shoots feasible, whether you're exploring natural landscapes, filming urban environments, or performing dynamic aerial stunts. Coupled with DJI's advanced obstacle detection and subject tracking, the drone offers unprecedented safety and reliability, ensuring pilots can focus on creativity without worrying about collisions or lost footage. In conclusion, the DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be a revolutionary addition to DJI's lineup. It merges speed, precision, and immersive visual storytelling like no other drone, bridging the gap between FPV thrill and cinematic panoramic filming. With advanced AI imaging, dual-mode flight, and a design built for stability and versatility, the Avata 360 could redefine aerial content creation. Its combination of innovative features, professional-grade camera capabilities, and agile FPV performance makes it an unprecedented tool for creators seeking to push the boundaries of drone filmmaking. With the DJI Avata 360, the future of immersive aerial content has never looked more exciting.